This is so that you can either put on your Christmas wish list, or you can either, if you're unsure of what to get for your partner, friends, really, like just anybody, okay? I have it all for you. Welcome back again. It's your girl ifymaey, and if it's your first time, welcome and thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to hit the like button and also subscribe down below because your girl finally hit 1K, baby. Thank you so much for all the support. I'm literally just gonna use this moment to appreciate you guys. Like I honestly appreciate the support. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, liking and commenting, and also sharing my videos. It means a lot to me. Alright, let's get right into the video. Most of these stuff are stuff that I really need for Christmas. Also, my birthday is approaching. Like if you're watching this video and you're unsure, if you are unsure on what to get for your girl, well, get your pen and papers, okay, and get your popcorn, because I'm gonna spill the tea now. Alright, okay, I'm talking too much. Alright, so the first one is a camera. Of course, I feel like I put cameras on my wishes every single year, but this time, like, this is really something I want, just because like I want to start vlogging for next year. So that's one of my plans for my YouTube. This camera is on Best Buy for $799 right now. They were going for $899 before. Right now they do have a massive Black Friday sale for $799. Oh my god, these people should sponsor me. Like, what is this? So the next one is a facial steamer. I've always wanted a facial steamer, and I feel like everyone should have a facial steamer. It's just a self-care kit that I think everybody should own, like just when you just want to pamper yourself once in a while. And this thing is something I've always wanted to get, but I don't know, I just never get it. And it's pretty cheap. It's like, it's $30 on Amazon right now. Yeah, but yeah, it's something like I've always wanted to get. It's just, you know, there's some stuff like you just forget, you honestly just forget to get it, or yeah, but yeah, that is something I do want for Christmas. So the next one is earrings. I really do want this birthstone stud earrings, guys. They are so cute. I'm a sucker for stud earrings. Like, I literally would wear a stud earrings every single day. It's like my staple. Like, that's just me. I don't know how I lost my earrings, honestly. I don't know, but yeah, I just want, this is just a replacement. Like, I do want this. But yeah, like, you can't go wrong. You can't go wrong with jewelry pieces. Like, nice jewelry pieces are always a great Christmas gift. So next one, it is perfume. I always, like, every birthdays, I put perfumes on my list. And I saw this new Guerlain. I tried it. Guys, like, when I tried, because I had the sample, I got the sample from Sephora, and I was like, oh my god, I need to buy this. I honestly need to get this. But it is $99 right now, and I think that's the smallest. It starts from $99 because I don't know, I think this size is like the smallest size, depending on the bottle. I think this is the smallest one. But you guys, $99 at Sephora, I really want, and it smells so good, guys. It smells like heaven. I don't know what heaven smells like, but it smells like it smells so good, guys, honestly. Next one is the Beets by Dre Powerbeats Pro. Honestly, I feel like I'm the only one. Am I the only one that is, I feel so left out. Like, I feel like I'm the only one that does not have like a wireless headphone. I need a wireless headphones ASAP. And these ones are pretty good because they're very adjustable, and they have like the ear hooks as well. That's why I really do love these ones. This one is actually $149 at Best Buy right now, and to be very honest, I'm shocked. Like, I'm actually surprised this is $149 because the last time I checked it, it was like $300 and something. So this is like a great deal right now. So if you're trying to get that one for your family, friends, or whatever partner, this is definitely a great gift, or a great gift to put on your Christmas wish list, guys. Thank you later. So the next one is Beddings. Oh my god, I have been wanting this for the longest time, especially now that it's almost winter. Right now it's fall, but I didn't really need them as much in the summer because, like, you know, in the summer you just want something really light, right? So like, I've been managing what I have so far. Like, I feel like I need I feel like I need a new duvet set. Like I just need new everything, new beddings. I just need new beddings basically. So yeah, like you know when you like, because I love my sleep, so like I want to be sleeping like I'm in heaven, you know what I mean? That is why I need new duvet pieces, man. Like I need new duvet cover set. This one is actually like the 3-piece duvet set, and they are on eBay right now for $161. So the next one is a Dutch oven pot from Amazon. I've been wanting this for the longest time, and they're actually $61 right now. That's so odd, $61. But yeah, they're $61 right now. And guys, there's just something about like having pots that, like, when you have a good pot, your food smells different, your food tastes different. This is why so the next one is a Snickers. Your girl has been going to the gym. I've been pretty consistent. I've been going 5 days a week, and this is why I deserve a new Snickers, guys. I deserve a new Snickers. I deserve a new pair of Nike Snickers, and they are $95 right now. Snickers is actually a great one to put in your list if you just like wearing comfort shoes, or if you go to the gym a lot as well, just like myself. But yeah, so yeah, basically yeah, Nikes, and they are $95. And the next one is actually a gym item as well, which is the Gymshark workout gears. A massive sale right now for like 70% off, and I ordered a few pair from Gymshark, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to get them, guys. Honestly, I don't know what you're doing. Like, just if you go to the gym a lot, you need a pair of Gymshark in your life. Yeah, so the next one, the last but not least, is these cream-heeled knee-high boots. When I tell you, every influencer has been wearing these boots. It's been in trend a lot, and it's caught my eyes a lot as well. That's why I really want this. And like, I don't know, there's something about white cream boots right now. They are, oh my gosh, like guys, they are bomb. They are the bomb. Like I honestly need one in my closet. But I found these ones on Public Desire for $51, which is actually not a bad deal. I think they're on sale right now. It's something you can surprise your loved ones with. But yeah guys, that is all I have for my Christmas wish list. I hope you guys did enjoy it, and I hope you took down some notes. If you do have any if you guys have any gift ideas or item in mind, feel free to comment them down below, or I would also add some more if I think about any. And I'm also going to be putting the links to each and every one of these items that I have mentioned in the description box. So guys, thank you so much. If you made it this far, oh my god, I love you. Mwah. Thank you so much. And please, I don't know what you were doing. Like, how did you watch it all the way to this? Like, I don't understand. You watch it to the end and you can't subscribe. Like, what are you doing?